I don't know, how much an 8-palm can he carry now? Right, okay, well if you just ring me back, okay, Nam, when you know how much. Okay. Tell the Gimp I said hi.
What was that?
Oh, just funeral plans.
Oh, alright. Washing up, just finished.
Oh, okay. Seriously, I've been waiting for this all afternoon. Danny?
Yeah?
There's a whole load in here. You been stealing my laundry again?
No, I've just literally just finished doing the drying up.
Just because the clothes don't fit you doesn't make you a giant, Danny. I've told you this time and time again.
It wasn't me this time, I swear.
Danny?
Yep.
What is that?
That's a badger.
No, badgers don't touch themselves like that.
Oh my god.
Wait. 1 second.
Wait, where are you going?
You're not back in 2 minutes. Just wait longer. Huh. I told you to wait 2 minutes.
I couldn't wait 2 minutes.
Unbelievable.
Are those your socks?
They're my lucky socks, okay?
They're pretty gay.
If homosexuality comes at the price of nice socks, I'm willing to pay that.
No, they're...
What the fuck is so appealing about washing machines?
Where did you guys come from?
A dryer, believe it or not.
It'd be best if we opt for a way out. This will probably come in the form of, I don't know, like a glittery box, or
A glowing portal.
I don't know, some kind of goat man with a flute.
Okay, well,
Take this. You know what to do with it.
I don't know, dude. This is a pretty gay sock.
It's lucky! Unbelievable. Danny, found something. It's not normal, is it? Excuse me, sir, can we have our clothes back?
You should put the garments now!
Fucking run!
I know what to do!
Why would you hit me with a gay sock?
It's lucky!
Guys, wait for me!
For the beard of Odin!
Hey.
We never speak of this again.
Yeah, okay.
I can't help but feel like we're forgetting something.
Yeah, same.
That was fucking weird.
Oh, wait, no, here it is.
Oh, alright.
So, have you been in this line of work long, or? Morning? Yeah.